Hi Flosstube friends, here I am again for another unpackaging of cross-stitch kits. If you are returning to my channel, thank you so much for joining me again. And if you're new here, I'm Liliana and I share all things cross-stitch. And I'm about to open these packages here that I've been patiently setting aside as they arrive so that I can share it with you as I open them. I just love watching unboxing cross-stitch videos. I don't know what it is really, why I love to watch, but I guess it's just the feeling of opening them and being surprised by all the lovely kits that is just so exciting to me. So I'm going to get started here because Lord knows I've waited long enough to get this video created for you all. Carefully cutting. I'm always afraid I'm going to cut the kit inside, but hopefully I will never do that. So here's the first one, and it's by Dimensions. It is called Wildflower Wreath. Just beautiful colors. I love that it's shaped in as a heart, and the butterflies caught my eye. Beautiful color. And look at this one. That one's huge. But just the butterflies and the color, that caught my eye. It's on 14 count ivory Aida. Which is what I stitch on the most right now. Here's the thread, pre-sorted thread, beautiful colors. On to the next one in here, and we've got Design Works by Design Works. It is Woodland Castle. So pretty. I love stitching animals too. Birds, squirrels. Very nicely done. This design of the squirrel, the rabbits. I don't know what that is, but there's a deer, and also has butterflies. Very cute. Really like this one. And more beautiful floss. Lots of lime green in this one. Gorgeous. I've been still working on my owl, for those of you who know and have seen my other videos. Still working on that. Oh yes, I love this one. Cute little birds with a nest. I don't know how to pronounce that name, so I won't. But isn't that adorable? I think it's so cute. And here's the floss. And I believe this one's on 14 count Aida. Next we have Family Blessings. And this one is designed by Diane Arthurs. I've bought her stuff, her designs before, and I like it. So just beautiful. Also has birds on it. It's a fall themed cross stitch kit. It is on 14 natural Aida, 14 count natural Aida, and the floss just has those beautiful fall colors. Can't wait to start that one. And no more in there. On to the next one. Make sure that I don't cut into the actual kit. Realless, I think that's how you pronounce it. This one's called Little Red Riding Hood. Really cute. I have not stitched a face yet, so this would be my first one. Really cute. There's some other, I like how they add photos of other cross-stitch designs on the back. Look at how pretty these are. And the colors are fabulous. Cute hedgehog there. A little tiny hedgehog. Can you guys see it? Just adorable. Love her little basket of bread. And the next one is also by Realless. And it's rabbits. I thought this one would be cute to make for Easter. It's called Funny Rabbits. Adorable. Just so adorable. It's on a 14 count white Swigert Aida. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Beautiful thread, just an all-around beautiful kit. Getting towards the end here. I know I've got another butterfly kit that should be in here. I forgot what the other one was supposed to be. I just can't remember. I'll be surprised. Yep, here's the butterflies. This one's called Butterflies Flying by Joyce Sunday. It's 14 count, 55 by 17 centimeters. I think that's a nice size. Instructions on the back. They've always come this way, from my experience. They've always had the instructions on the back. Really clear instructions too. Simple, easy to follow. Let's see if I can get the chart. Oh, here are the floss. Look at that. Look at how pretty the colors are. Doesn't seem like a lot though. And I like the floss card. Very easy to organize the floss. So pretty, pretty colors. Feels soft too. So far I've never bought a kit yet where the floss isn't sorted. Oh, here is the chart. Beautiful color. Love colored charts. Really nice. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. I love stitching butterflies. This one's another Joyce Sunday, and it is called Christmas Snowman. Christmas Snowman. Why didn't they call it Christmas Snowman? Or Christmas Snowman Family. It is Ecology Cotton Floss. Don't think I've used that before. Here's the chart. There we go. It's a very pretty design. And the ledger. Yeah. So that's it for the kits. I've also got 2 patterns. And I'm sorry I do not remember where I got this printout from. But because it's been a while since I printed this out, like months ago. But it's called Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. So I don't know if I paid for this pattern or if it was free. Sorry, I don't know. I should write things down. I'll do that in the future next time. I'll just write it down somewhere on the printout of if I bought it. I should write down where I bought it, and if it was free, I still should put down, at least write down the link so I can share it with you guys. So next time I'll be more prepared. And this one here is an owl, of course. I can't say no to owls. So cute. Look at his face. Is that so adorable or what? Just gorgeous. This one I just got recently, so I do remember it's from All About X Stitch. And it's in black and white. I chose not to print it out in color. I'm probably going to regret that decision, but several pages here. Yeah, so that's it for today. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me for this unboxing. I'm going to have a lot of fun here with all these kits. Just another look through. I got quite a bit. I'd say a pretty good haul here. Gosh, when am I going to be finished with all these? Oh, there's just so many. I think I have enough now collected that I can do a kit parade. I definitely have enough, I think, to do a small kit parade. Nothing as large as some of you guys do, but a small kit parade. I can see my future. I'm happy with all my choices. Really happy with all of them. So thank you again so much for joining me, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye for now.